ROI Analysis allows you to track how your customers are interacting with your brand through the customer journey and how specific content is contributing to your bottom line. To see your ROI Analysis view, you'll first need to develop a scorecard with your Hootsuite representative. During this process, you'll map your business objectives to metrics and rank them from highest to lowest in terms of what generates ROI. Once your scorecard is set up, your ROI Analysis view will show you what's ranking the highest, therefore contributing the most to business objectives. If content isn't performing well, look at how you can improve it. If an important metric is missing or there's a new one you want to add, contact your Hootsuite rep to make adjustments. In your analysis, you'll see your return, which is the total number of points or ROI dollar values collected for all posts in your selected accounts. If you have an ad account, you'll also see the total amount of ad spend across your accounts. Now let's take a closer look at your brand metrics. Filter down the results by social networks, ad accounts, and time frame. Use this feature to track your metrics over time and between different platforms. You'll also see your weekly average for each metric, which is the sum of your total return divided by the number of weeks selected in your date range. This shows you what your average success looks like week over week to help you identify your strengths and areas to improve. It also allows you to set a performance benchmark to compare against past results. For more in-depth customer information, enable the Group into Journey Stages option. This shows you the different stages in the marketing funnel that your customers go through when they interact with your brand. For example, say you want to check out what platforms are leading in brand perception. Switch to the Group into Journey Stages view and check how each platform is performing by affinity and awareness. To investigate peaks and dips in your results, hover over the graph to see the corresponding date. Let's compare the date that this peak happened against our content calendar to see what caused it. It looks like there was a seasonal promotion posted on that day, which we can attribute the spike to. Use these graphs to help inform your future content strategy. This is a great way to hone in and report on content that resonates with your audience.